Hello artists, how you doing today? Damon for Cool Art Stuff for Kids. We're going to establish our creature in a cave by drawing these sort of rectangular shapes here I'm doing to establish where his hands are. And then now we're going to add the cave stalactites and stalagmites. Remember, stalagmites go up stalactites. The mites go up the tights. Get it? So stalactites hang down, stalagmites go up. So let's kick it into fast forward, shall we? Bam! Now I'm going to establish where my creature is going to be. My guy's going to be sort of goofy and silly. Yours can be super scary, it can be scaly, it can be any kind of creature you want in that cave. But I'm going to start with a circle here, and my monsters tend to be Cyclops kinds of guys, so that's what I've got started here. Again, you do your thing, but you can probably base it on the structure of my beginning drawing here. Hey, I'm going to further detail my crazy creature in a cave with lips, and sharp teeth, and maybe a tongue sticking out. So let's get right to it. Hey, nothing brings a character to life more than adding great color. So in the next fast forward section, I'm going to really do my best to add some jazzy color to this creature in a cave. Nothing adds great contrast like some opposite colors. So green's opposite on the color wheel is red. So we're going to do some of the interior of his mouth with red, maybe add a little purple, maybe a little bit black, and really make his mouth contrast against his outer body and really make this thing pop with some color. So my creature in a cave has a tail that swoops around almost out of the frame, then comes back in front of the cave. And can you tell I'm obsessed with the Cyclops theme? Here we go. Remember, your character can have all kinds of different attributes and characteristics. Mine has these wing kind of ear things coming out of the side of his head, but you can detail yours however you like, or you can copy mine. I don't really care, as long as you're making art and really, really giving it your best shot. Okay, for right now, we're going to darken up the back, really dark, behind our monster, our cave monster. Get that really dark, really dark. Continue with red velvet on this side of the stalactites and stalagmites to develop a little bit of form and depth. Remember, form is one of our elements. Continue with red velvet on this side of the stalactites and stalagmites to develop a little bit of form and depth. Remember, form is one of our elements of art that we use all the time in our arsenal of art weapons. Okay, almost got that done. I'm going to continue the darkness back here. So I make these stalactites stand out and add even more depth to our picture. So you can see this has been a journey in overlapping shapes. The creature in front of the stalactites in front of the background, things coming forward, the eyeball, looking good. It's a great lesson. Hope you had fun with it. To finish this guy off, we're going to do a little bit more, maybe black outlining, just to reestablish a couple of things and add a little bit of contrast to the whole picture. Make the character stand out just a tad more. Right, there we go. Where else can we do this? Along here, maybe along here. On this side, all the way around the town, huh? There we go. There. Up here. Letting some of that purple line show through, but covering a little bit with black. Okay. There we go. Oh, it's got to be done, right? It's got to be done. It's got to be done.